All right, got a little update here on getting these floor pans in. First time doing this, so I made many mistakes, I'm sure. But let me just show you something that I did, and some of you guys may know this already. But as I'm trying to get this leveled in here, sometimes there's high spots and low spots. So when there was a big gap on either side, I would just take a Sharpie and I would just make a little mark with the Sharpie, and then I would take a grinder and grind it down to make it level, just little by little, just grind it little by little. And I'm kind of liking that gap. I think that's close enough to weld. Up there, I'll push it up a little bit to weld it. So over here, I'm gonna just do my my plug welds. I just gotta make a little piece for that hole right there, which I've already got. I've got a couple little triangles here that fit in here. We'll fix those up, trim those up, put those in there. And I'll fix that in there, and then I'll just go ahead and spot weld the rest. Get some seam seal the heck out of it, and we should be good to go. When I do the other side, I'm gonna do it a little differently. See this side here, I cut it to match like how it came out. But what I'm gonna do on the other side is I'm gonna just cut it like this here. I'm gonna cut it around here to make it all level and a little bit easier to get in, because I think this is really what was fighting me over here, is trying to match a flat side with a vertical side, a horizontal side with a flat vertical side. So that's kind of a quick little update. Hopefully I can get this thing welded in. Just got some more welding gas this week to have enough, because I ran out. A little bit more nip tuck, and then we'll be good to go. I'll get back to you later. Thanks.